Alright, hello, my name is Samuel Lewin. I'm going to be testing out Valkyries build. Alright, so you got functional buttons. Assuming you can quit. Okay, interesting. So from a credits standpoint, you don't want to have that quit button. Just because someone might think that it's a back button or something. Or even then, you could just have a main menu button. There's no reason to have to quit from here. Um, And that's also to give the player or any of your testers, a reason to go back and check something, right? You don't want them to go, I'll quit, and I'll play it again tomorrow because they'll probably never pick it up again. Um, Two towers seems interesting, so I want to go that way. Alright. So you have a compass, but it's focused on your WASDA. It's not really focused on your, yeah, you see? It's focused on your player movement rather than the location of the player. I'm assuming I can. Okay, this. Alright. My thing is, I don't understand what the objective is here. I see that I'm supposed to go that way, I'm assuming. Even the compass seems a little broken. Yeah, see, it's a little wonky. It doesn't really have an objective to point you towards. It's just kind of picking a spot and going for it. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing in here. Yeah, I can't tell what I'm supposed to be doing in here. I see that platform over there, but there was nothing on it, so... Oh, not quick game. There's no... Okay. Oh, okay. For your quick game button, you should make it main menu, because it looks like you're just quitting the actual game itself. Alright, so I see your controls. Sprint, evade, right mouse click, crouch. Change weapon with F, jump space bar. Cool beans, man. Cool beans. So I would probably get rid of the level select, because this seems way more filled out than the level select levels. I'm assuming those are just the prototype levels. Okay. And you might want to have some sort of collision box a little bigger, maybe an interact button. Just because I had to go through the trouble of trying to jump up there to, collect that thing. I don't even know what these are, I just know they're collectibles. Alright. No. I do like the stamina bar. One thing is, I'm assuming I can't go back here, so I would probably put like a collision box, and block the player from being able to get out of there. Okay, I'm assuming this is where I double jump. Yep. Assuming those are bad. So. Oh, crouch, right? Yeah, crouch. Bam. Ah, okay. Okay, your collectibles are your way through the gates. Okay, I like that. I like that. I play a lot of Destiny, so these movements are a little easier. Yeah. Alright. What was that? I like that one. That one's cool. That said, change weapon. I wonder, do I have something else here? Oh, okay. It takes stamina. Interesting. So it's infinite. That's pretty cool. I'm assuming. Okay. What's it called? You can also make them sense sound. I mean, your player character's already making footstep sounds. One thing you can do is add sound so that if the player's behind the AI, they're not just standing there looking broken. They'll actually attack the player character. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, no checkpoint system. Okay. We'll have to rush through these. Same thing with these gates. I would simply just add a checkpoint system. The one thing you don't want is any playtester to make it close to the end, get annoyed, and then give up. You know what I mean? So that player frustration tends to be a major issue as to why people don't stick around in a game. And then I would probably maybe work on the jump a little bit so it feels more grounded. So you see how the character's got this like almost slow jump effect. You know, but it could work in your favor. I mean, it's working when I'm doing these house parkour. But as you can see, your compass is pointing south. Um, so it's a little broken there. I would suggest taking a look at that. Now you're trying to do a hitbox on the enemy. That's why he's not really doing any damage to me. I would suggest using a line trace and a sphere radius for that, just so that they can register some punches in, and the player isn't doing what I'm doing, which is just cheesing the encounter. I ran out of stamina. Okay. Bam. I do like the dash though. I think the dash is really cool. Okay, so this is where the steps start getting a little dicey. Okay, okay. telling you, man. Play a lot of Destiny. Oh god. Oh man. I got greedy. I wanted that last one. Alright, let's get this done pretty quickly. So that's now I understand what the lose condition is, right? I died. But to the player, it just kind of doesn't say anything. And it doesn't give any room for feedback, right? So you want them to either quit the main menu and try again later, or what's it called? Or restart the level right then and there, right? So that's something I would add in there. It's probably like as soon as a player dies, just like, you know, you're dead. Try again or quit game. Alright, we're just gonna skip through most of this here. I just want to collect. Now, I don't know if that was intentional, but the evade is pretty, You got a pretty big evade there, you know what I mean? Oops. There we go. Now, I know this is just a block mesh or whatever, but you want to make sure that that you sort of kind of tell a story with your level, right? All I know is that there's a bunch of blocks, bridges, and trees everywhere. You know, obviously it's a block mesh. I could tell that back there is a mountain range, right? But what's the story here? Why does it look like this? Why is there magical tiles, you know, going up and down? Guarantee I don't need the elevator for that. So you might want to, let's see, if I can get over this obstacle here with this one jump, or evade, we might want to tone this down maybe. Yep, there we go. All I had to do was just evade. So that's one thing maybe that we can look at is balancing the evade jump. Or the dash effect, maybe? I don't know. Alright. Kind of lost as to where I need to go. Okay, so that's the other gate then, right? Oh, these are... Okay. I didn't get that the first time. I just thought it was a cool little light effect. I just realized those fall. So then I should be able to do double jump. Yeah. I don't know. It might be something you guys want to keep in there. 4, 6. I mean, you could do pretty cool stuff like this, so you could use it to your advantage, build some levels around that mechanic, right? Or we down, it's up to you, you know what I mean? Alright, so I'm not gonna have enough collectibles here. So it seems I need to go back and grab the one at the bridge, which is gonna be a little dicey. Okay. There aren't any more, I'm assuming. Definitely a checkpoint system would be really cool. Just so that I'm not risking dying and then having to restart the entire session, you know what I mean? Like that was a little scary. I'm not gonna lie. There we go. And we're just gonna dash so that I don't lose any progress there. Excellent work. The train will take you somewhere safe and you can prepare. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's there's definitely some things to add, maybe improve on. Um, Definitely the AI might need a little bit of work there. Just because, you know, if you want them to spot the player, if you at least don't want to use or implement sound, I would set up a patrol route so that they are walking around and have a chance to spot the player. Using a sphere trace to you know really connect with the enemy attack is going to help you a lot with hurting the player and kind of creating some obstacle. Because for right now, all I have to do is step back and, you know, attack, 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 step back, attack, attack, attack. And the AI ends up feeling almost like a tedious task rather than an obstacle, right? But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. So thank you for letting me play.